Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which Google account runs Gemini and backing up any data you want to keep. Use Google Takeout if necessary. Once done, sign into that account on the device you'll use and make sure the browser and apps are updated. Now open Google Account Settings and navigate straight to Data and Privacy and Personalization. This is where Gemini integrations and permissions appear. Start the removal flow there so you can revoke features, app access, and linked services in a controlled way. You now remove Gemini's active integrations. First, revoke third-party OAuth access under Security so any external apps lose permission. Then, go into each Google app, Assistant, Search, Messages, and turn off features labeled Gemini or AI responses, toggle off personal results, smart suggestions, and experimental features. Next, uninstall companion apps and browser extensions named Gemini or AI. Make sure you clear browser cookies and cache to remove stored tokens, and sign out and back in so changes propagate across devices. Finish by clearing AI and activity history in Data and Privacy so responses and training data are removed from your account. After that, confirm no Gemini processes run on other signed-in devices. Sign out everywhere and re-authenticate where needed. If uninstall remnants persist on a phone, consider a factory reset only as last resort. For browsers, remove residual profiles and extensions. If something goes wrong, check another device or browser. Repeat revocation steps, and make sure you're using the correct Google account before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.